Testing. 1, 3. You know, say Jamaica with it. So when in there, so it's 1, 3. And with a Spanish town. And if you know Spanish town good, and you look on the lane there, you know what the lane the name, right? Watch my camera lady, I try to find the lane. Well, lane name, people. A big lane that, man. If you don't know Central Village, me can't help you. Original Spanish town community, Central Village. We're here on the delivery trail, guys. We are your neighborhood friendly shipping company, and we allow you to ship your items through us from overseas. We bring them here to Jamaica, and we do something special. We deliver them to you. We're on the trail in Central Village. We're waiting on a customer to come and pick up our items. And we thought, you know what, I could know what go on, give you our vibes, I could know say, well, they are village, big up the whole of village, big up the whole of Spanish town, the whole of Tottenham Park. Hey, enough people don't know now, out here at Tottenham Park, alright? Love you know, see you later here. Bye!